Guys, hope you all are doing good. And so this is my first video in YouTube. So let me know after watching this video, like what kind of improvement or what kind of things you guys needed from my side, so that in the next video I can do that. Okay. So yeah, let me tell you the prerequisites for these videos. You should have a AWS account and just normal basic like AWS knowledge, like what is AWS, why we use it, that kind of thing. Nothing else. Just have an AWS account and just know that yeah, AWS is a cloud service provider, and we can manage our software or our ML or our APIs and all everything in this service. That's it. Not nothing more than that. And some little bit of IAM role knowledge, but we will also discuss that one. So don't worry about that one. So our main focus will be data science with AWS. So let's assume you are having a machine learning ML model or DL model or whatever, you are having a model with you ready. But now you have to deploy that model, right? So normally if you just in college, what we did, we just train a model. After that we use some Flask or Fast API and we deployed that model locally. And even in some people may have deployed that in VM as well, right? But in AWS we have many other services to do that task for us, right? So you don't have to create sometime, like in some services you don't have to worry that much about the first API and things. So there are different ways to deploy the models. We'll check that out. And even if you're creating Flask or Fast API, how to deploy that in AWS, we'll check that out also. So we'll do everything, like how you can manage your ML model in AWS. We are going to cover this thing in this YouTube series, okay? So what are the main services we will focus on? So if you guys having some notes, or if you want to note down, just note it down. Whatever service I'm going to do, we'll discuss this in the upcoming videos and all. So the first service will be Amazon Sagemaker. So this is the primary service every ML or data science guy should know, which is Amazon Sagemaker. So you can train your ML model here, you can deploy your ML model here, you can manage your ML model here, you can play with your data. There are many advanced functionalities are available in Amazon Sagemaker for a data scientist. Okay, so this will be our primary focus. After that, we will focus on many other services like Fargate, Elastic Beanstalk, then App Runner, Lambda, everything. We'll check everything. So don't worry much about. So it can be a long series. So just stay with me and let's see what happens. So go to the search bar and type AWS SageMaker. So first of all, this is just an introduction video about SageMaker. What is SageMaker? What we can do there? And in the next video, we'll go more in depth. Okay. So in Amazon SageMaker, let's go back to our normal way, how we train a model, how we play with the data. Normally, we open a Jupyter notebook, right? We load our data, we load our model there, we train our model there, we play with our data there, we do all the steps in our Jupyter notebook, and later on we use that for prediction and testing purpose, right? What's after that? After that, what we do? We create a fast or Flask API. But here the things are little bit different. Amazon SageMaker is providing a framework. So in this service, they already have some built-in frameworks. They already have some container ready for you. Just follow the process, follow the way, and your model will get deployed in cloud. You don't have to worry much. It will be available to the end users just by doing a little bit of connections with the Lambda and API gateway. That's it. So you don't have to do much thing here. So even the scaling and everything, you will see everything here, and that's pretty much easy. So that's why people are liking this AWS SageMaker a lot nowadays. So let's see what are the options we are having right now, right? So there are majorly three to four things. I mean, we will focus in SageMaker. First is Studio. Second one is Jumpstart. What is Jumpstart? Third is, like, we are not going to use this one, but I'll tell you guys what it is. Ground truth and the notebooks. These are the, like, four things which kind of give you the facility to work with the models or to train your own model. After that, if you want to go for checking, like how the training is happening, how long it will take, how the endpoint will look like, everything that will come after that. Okay, so let's start. Like, what is SageMaker Studio? So you already work with Jupyter Notebook, right? So to have that similar kind of Jupyter Notebook in SageMaker, we are already having notebook instance. We'll go into that and we'll check it out for sure. But Studio is the advance of that. Your is having a basic notebook instance in this option, which we also do in our local host. In that, after downloading an account and everything. But Studio give you advanced functionality. You can do auto ML. There are many UI features are available. You don't have to worry much about writing a code. Everything is available to you in the UI. Just go there, upload your data, do auto ML, and even there are models are available. Just play with that and your model will get deployed. And other advanced things are also there, and that we will check it out in our next upcoming videos. What is Jumpstart? Like Jumpstart models are also available in Studio. As I told, like in Studio is like everything. Every SageMaker things are already, they dumped everything in our SageMaker Studio. So in Jumpstart, what is this? The pre-trained models, right? Hugging Face models or YOLO models. Those models are already available for you in the UI. You just have to check it out, right? Which models are here available, or the computer vision models, like the YOLO models, as I told you, right? And the other models, all the models are already available here. See the object detection model, which is PyTorch model. This is also image classification, object detection. I thought YOLO was there. Okay, I think YOLO is not there. Sorry. So these are, I think, other models. Cool. Resonate VGG models are there. Okay. So yeah, these models are already available, and in Studio you can just go ahead and you can just select the models and you can deploy it. Some models are fine tunable, some are not. Cool. So this is a Jumpstart and Studio, but our main focus will be in SageMaker notebook instance first. Yeah, ground truth. What is ground truth? Let me give you a small example. So if you guys know what is NER, right? Name entity recognition. So to train a NER model, what we need to tag those NER, right? Like whatever, if for entities you have to tag them. So that's a labeling jobs, right? So you have to label them. So for that kind of job, if you want to label your data or to train a YOLO model or any CV model for image classification or something, you have to do that bounding box things, right? So that you can later on train the data in your for YOLO or any other models. So that is also labeling job, right? So those labeling job you can do in ground truth. Just upload your data and select like what you want to do. You want to do image classification or any other task or classification. So whatever you want to do, just do the labeling job through ground truth. We'll also check this ground truth later on. Okay. So our first focus is notebook instance. Let's go ahead and create a notebook instance. While creating, we'll discuss like what we can do and what kind of notebook instance we can create, everything. So let's give it a name, ML demo. Now, notebook instance type. So what is this instance type? So it defines the size of the instance, the CPU, the RAM, if GPU is also there, what's the size, everything. So for basic purpose, T3 medium is good. Like it's fine to work with T3 medium. It will always give you good performance. So don't have to worry much. But if you want to check it out, the other instances also, just search AWS SageMaker instance types. Go there. And so yeah, Studio notebooks instance are also there and notebook instance are also there. These both are, the price are same. So you don't have to worry much. But okay, choose notebook instances and you can see the CPU and memory sizes. And later on in below, you'll get the GPU things also there. Yeah, G40, and these have GPUs, like the accelerated computing, right? So they are having GPUs and all. But yeah, we are going to use our normal one, the standard one, T3 medium. So this is the price per hour. But in free tier, they are having a lot of free access. So if you want to check the free tier, just go ahead. Yeah, check this one. This is the free tier and everything. What other things are available for you guys? Just go through it. If you yeah. Also, if you don't want T3 medium, just go for T2 medium. Also, that's also fine, and it doesn't matter for the basic tasks. Okay. So let's create a it's MLT3 medium. You don't have to worry about elastic inference and all. Now, volume size. It is the size of your instance. Let's assume you are having a laptop, right? And your laptop, you are having a storage capacity of it. So by default, for this instance, they are giving a volume capacity of 5 GB. For basic purpose, as I told, it's good. You don't have to worry much, but you can extend it to 16 TB. So based on your need, you can extend it. And the thing is, it's changeable. It's not like it's only one time you have to fix it, and for the lifetime that instance will have that size only. No, you can change it, but the thing is, it is only one way. You can only increase the volume. You can't decrease. Let's assume from 5 to you already make it 20. But now you felt like, okay, I don't need 20, just go back to 10. You can't do that. You can only increase the size. And to do that, whenever the instance is on, you can't change the size. You have to stop the instance and then only you can change the size. But don't worry, the data will be saved. The data, whatever is there, data, notebooks and everything, that will be saved there. So you don't have to worry much. So for now, let's just keep it 5. Now, IAM role. Now, why we need IAM role? Because it's a SageMaker notebook instance, right? To run the SageMaker codes, it need to have permission. It need to have all the SageMaker permissions, or whatever services it will call, it needs to have the permission. So let's create a new role. So by default, it will give you the access to call data or upload data in S3 bucket, and the SageMaker full access, the everything, whatever features are available in SageMaker, you'll get all the access. So just create a role. It's getting created. Yeah, it's created now. Now create a notebook instance. Cool, I think it is getting created. So it takes some time, sometimes 2 minutes, sometimes 3 minutes, based on the availability. So just wait for 2 to 3 minutes maybe, and after that it will be in service. So okay, I'll pause here, and once it's in service, I'll start the video again. Cool. Okay guys, you can see the instance is in service. So let's open the notebook. So you can open both, like you can open both Jupyter Lab and Jupyter Notebook, whatever you prefer. So my personal favorite is Jupyter Notebook. I don't know, I don't like the Jupyter Lab much, but yeah, it's just personal choice. So based on your need, just open it. So let's just create one notebook. So yeah, here you can see like which kind of notebook you want. You want Python, the basic Python one, Python 3, or if you want pre-installed PyTorch, or if you want pre-installed TensorFlow 2.0. So by default, I have a habit to use this Python basic one only. After that, if I need PyTorch or TensorFlow, I just install it, just of a habit. If you want to use that PyTorch or TensorFlow one, you can go for that kernel also. So just type something. Hey guys, the data guy here. Hope you are enjoying the video. Cool. So yeah, that's how you can run your SageMaker notebook. So like this, like normally whatever you do in local, right? Every task you can do here, but instead of in a local, now it's in your cloud. So people are using this nowadays a lot because they don't have to, having that very huge setup and all. If you need GPU, just deploy a GPU instance. If you need this kind of CPU configuration, just deploy it. So you don't have to worry much. Why pay like huge when you can get it in the cloud for for that time being only. So yeah, that's why people are preferring this SageMaker a lot nowadays. So yeah, that was for today, like how to create a SageMaker notebook instance. Now, don't you guys dare to just keep it in service for long time. At the end, it will cost you money, guys. So just always remember, whatever you guys are doing, after that, make sure to delete it, because right now you guys are in your learning state. If you are seeing this video, if you guys are in your learning state, right? So it's good to delete the instance if you're not using it, within some hours and all. If you have planned, okay, tomorrow I'll do some practice, just delete it, it's fine. And if you have already have too much data uploaded and you already did some experiments, just switch it off. It will cost you a little amount of money, that's it, not too much, okay? But yeah, there will be a cost for keep that instance also. So just be sure, guys. So I'm going to stop it for now. So once this is stopped, yeah, it will take some time. After that, this delete button will get enabled, so you guys can delete it. But one more thing, though you guys are deleting everything, make sure to check the you know the billing dashboard every morning, because it's not like whenever you use it within that time only they will add the cost and everything, right? It takes some time. So I am having a habit to check it in every morning or in every afternoon, whatever time schedule you guys want to do. So I'm having the habit to check this in the morning. So that's why I'm saying you guys to do that also. So as I told you guys, this is a IAM role I am using. So I'm not having the permission to check, because I did not give the permission to this IAM role to check the billing dashboard and everything. But yeah, if you guys in your root account, you guys can check it. Okay. So just go to the bills and every details will come here. Maybe on the next video, I'll show you guys like how the billing dashboard looks like. Okay. So yeah, guys, that's all for this video. I'll see you guys soon on the next video. Cool. Bye, guys.